Good morning everyone. So today we're at a Volkswagen Golf GTI year 2000. This is a 2 litre engine and this is a 1J model. As you can hear, it's quite smooth. It's lovely and smooth actually, but the tailpipe's very sooty. So we've maybe got a stuck open injector. So customer's complaint is, I think we can see it, rich, sooty, burning oil, I do not know, but there's faults. Oh, it smells really rich. Full scan using the top down, so let's go into report. Okie dokie. Please enter the mileage. We'll just skip that. Let's go. Okay. So here we go. I was actually thinking maybe an O2 sensor or something like that, because it's that rich. Volts, idle speed control adaptation limit reached. Idle speed control adaptation. And look at this one here, left front speed ABS sensor, left front ABS wheel speed sensor. Oh well, I don't think that's anything to do with a rich condition. And then we've got supply voltage. This thing had a low battery voltage. And there's the rest of the modules there. Interior light, blah blah blah. So the big one we want to attack is idle speed control adaptation limit reached. But maybe that's just a symptom and not a cause, so should save that. Okie dokie. So save. So that's pre-repair. Right. So we'll go to engine ECU. So that's the code there we're attacking. There's all the information there. Read DTCs. So let's go after the O2s, I think. Read by list, I think. 116 PIDs. Let me go and select some. Well, let's see if we can select all. Probably no. That's good. Right, let's just go through them together. Engine speed 700, 800, that's good. 75 degrees. Lambda 25%. So that's adding 25%. That's wrong. Engine load. Oh, look at injection time. 5.63 milliseconds. That's massive. So this is something that's gone over the whole board, I would think. Intake 3 grams. That's about right. Let's go up. There you go, that increases. Mass, intake mass, that's okay. Throttle degrees, that's fine. Oh, here's this jumping thing again, thought we got rid of that. Voltage, coolant temperature, air intake, vehicle speed, load status, idle, that's good. Altitude correction factor. Engine speed, engine load, they all look fine. Total misfires. Well, here we go. We did jump up to 3 there. I think it's misfiring just because it's too rich. Misfire recognition enabled. Lambda self-adaptation 17. Lambda 25%. Bank 1 voltage of oxygen sensor. So look, I think that's dead. I think that's a problem. This O2 sensors. Oh, well, rather than my mouth and my chops off. Oh, here we go. Wait, look at this. The thing. There we go. We need an O2 sensor. There's no movement in that thing at all. That's why this thing's so rich. Lambda aging bank ones. Well, there's another one. Bank 1 sensor 1. Bank 1 sensor 2. So this is a downstream. No movement whatsoever. Bank 1 sensor 2 lambda resistance. Bank 1's 30 ohms. That'll be the heater side of things. It says the heater's on. 17 ohms. It's off. Catalytic converter. Let's go after the lambda sensor. I think we've seen enough. There is the lambda sensor. See the connection right there. So that's bank 1 sensor 1. So I was trying to hope to get to the multi-plug, but I can't. This needs to go up the ramp. So we're going to replace the lambda sensor and see if that sorts our issues out. So just as we're sitting here, I thought I'd just scan the codes again. And there you go, a P0134 O2 sensor circuit, bank 1 sensor 1. No activity detected. So we agree with that. So just let's reach it. Because this is a cause, and that's just a symptom. So new O2 sensor installed. O2 and sensor. New O2 sensor installed. So let's go back. Let's clear the fault codes. Yes. Yes. Says got none. So let's read the data stream. By list. Lambda. What else have we got here? Bank 1 sensor 1. Bank 1 sensor 2. Just to hear a bit lambda. We'll just look at that. So, oh, it's not even recognised it. Oh, has it? Oh, there we go. We've started. We're taking voltage away. We're not running rich anymore anyway. I thought we'd get a voltage out of that. Let's go and have a look. Just looking through these PIDs, but you can see, I can't actually see the one for bank 1 sensor 1, but you can see a lambda control. Remember we were at 25%, so we're back to, that's spot on, 0.78, and everything else looks within spec. Let's see, bank 1 lambda control, bank 1 voltage of oxygen sensor. Let's see this one. Oh, there we go. It is working. There we go, that's a good graph. I can hear popping in the exhaust enough. But the engine management light's off because I cleared it, but I don't think we'll have any further problems with this one. That's switching nice between 0.1 and 0.8. That's a good switch. So I think we'll call that a fix. Back into the fault codes, and you can see this P1582 is returned. Idle speed control adaptation limit reached. So let's see if we can adapt this thing in. Oh, here we go. Adaption. Haha! Don't know the channel number, let's see. Maybe no. Basic set. I've absolutely no idea what channel you do the adjustment on. Let's see if it's an OBD. You see this adaption, that even when the engine's not running, you clear the code, put the key back on, this appears again, but I see it's got intermittent now. So I was wondering if there's a way that we can do it in the snap-on. It's a bit easier than the other scan tools, so maybe no. Functional tests, special functions, no, don't want that. Actuator tests, no, I don't think there's a way of resetting that in here. View readiness monitor. Nothing on this tool to reset it, but what we could do is just see if this clears. So the engine's off, clear codes, continue, codes only. Said it cleared it last time, but as soon as we started the car it came back, so let's see if it's maybe gone. Start her up. Right. We'll go back in codes only. I think it's cleared finally. I think the car had to be driven, stopped, cleared again and cleared again. I think that's maybe done it. So if it isn't, I'll get back to you. Anyway, we'll call this a fix.